In this video, I will be taking you along with me and my sister while we explore the beachcombing in and around Clearwater, Florida. We've never been to this area before and we really enjoyed it. Hopefully you will learn a few things about Florida beachcombing, and at the end you will see all of the amazing shells that we found, so please stay tuned.
This is a tale of two sisters.
2 DJI Osmo Pockets, 1 GoPro, 2 beaches, 1 DJI mini drone, lots and lots of seashells, and perhaps a few too many happy hours. The purpose of this trip was first and foremost to get away and to go shelling, but also to spend time with our cameras and devices since we both have YouTube channels. In addition, it was my sister's birthday, so it was a great time to get away. Just a side note, this was in 2019 before the COVID pandemic, when we could freely travel and visit restaurants and do as we pleased without wearing masks. We are gathering mermaid money here. Mermaid money is the nickname for these tiny little trapdoors called operculum that protect the animal inside the shell from predators and from drying up. Since there were so many chestnut turbans on these beaches, there was just a ton of mermaid money to find. We really enjoyed collecting these, and we both had little jars with our mermaid money inside. One of the tools I highly recommend for beachcombing in Florida is a shell scooper. They make all different types of shell scoopers. We just bought a very simple one on this trip, but it helps to use the scooper when it's really wavy or when there's a shell that you're not sure what it is and you're a little bit freaked out to touch it, or if it's alive. We like to use the shell scooper to scoop it up and check it out to make sure that there's nothing living inside, and we always put those back when we find one that's alive.
Oh, what'd you find? Look at this. Oh, it's a lightning well. Is it alive?
Yep, there's something in there.
Okay.
Actually, there's a little arm. Somebody's home.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, so if somebody's home,
I think it's a crab.
he has to go back in the water because we don't take any live shells. We are not those kind of people. And then we put him back gently and we give him a little kick of sand.
There we go.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, look. Wow.
What is it?
Oh,
hello.
Hello.
Hello. That is a, I think it's called a ribbed cantharus. Something like that. I'm going to look it up.
Oh,
I'll make sure.
He just touched me.
Oh, he touched her. He touched her.
Little double.
Okay, he's going to go back because he's alive and
He
well.
was not very.
We like to talk to locals about where to go, especially for shelling or for finding beach finds. We like to talk to locals. We actually ran into some non-locals, but they've been here a couple times, so they told us about this place. And we're about, how far out are we, would you say? 50 yards? 50 yards out from the beach on a sandbar, and the water's really cold. But we've been finding some sand dollars and some little shells with crabs in them. But it's always good to talk to your local folks because they'll give you the places to go.
Look at all of these turbans right here, and there's a little starfish leg. But there's so many turbans that you can't even possibly pick them all up. They're everywhere. This is so fun. We're having so much fun here.
So here is my shell haul. This doesn't include the shells that my sister collected. And I don't take them all home, just the ones that are the very best. Here is a bunch of scallops in all different colors. There's some lettered olives and some random toys and some keyhole limpets, some angel wings, all that mermaid money, some bubbles and some kitten's paws, and some jewel boxes, some augers, more scallops, sunray Venus, cockles, lightning whelks, Atlantic turkey something, jingles, rose talons, alternate talons, sand dollar, ooh, I'm going too fast, coral, all those turbans, all those chestnut turbans, long spine star snail, cones, banded tulips, shark eyes, fossilized shells and agatized shells, and lastly, the worm snails or wormies.